So here's what's going on. This bus, God, this bus looks brand new compared to that last bus I showed you, huh? Alright guys, that's going to do it for me. I just wanted to roll the camera quick. We're coming into Father's Day weekend. I've been out here for a few hours just trimming this front floor panel into shape. I'm going to patch that in there. So that's what I've been up to. So I brought the camera out and just rolled a couple clips. We're going to weld in this little patch panel I'm making for down that hole. We just welded in those 2 spot welds that I drilled out. So just making some progress on this. So happy Father's Day weekend to all you dads out there. I'm looking forward to the weekend myself, being a dad, as most of you know. Also, Terryville this weekend, I call it the Father's Day show. 2014 was the first time I attended the show with Josh, of course, and it's been on the calendar every year. So, looking forward to meeting some of you guys, local guys there. Please say hi if you see me, and just gonna have a great weekend. I don't know how the weather's gonna be Sunday, but it's gonna be a great day either way. So thank you for all the comments, the likes and support. Can't say thank you enough. And man, is this bus solid compared to that bus I showed you the other day. So have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.